Okay, so I'm gonna set the phone
No,
down.
no, don't do that, man.
Like, for real? Like, I'm
No,
actually gonna
no,
stop
no,
doing
you're
this.
not. No, tell me about how you're feeling right now, man.
You can't keep me with your fucking horror tricks.
No, 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 no.
I can't ride an elephant and talk to the white people at the same time. I have to go. It doesn't work like that, dude. I can't.
Wait! Don't even think about it.
What?
Stay here, you rat prick.
The one already took us away. Took it away.
Yo, would you want to watch a live stream with me right now?
No.
I know you'd say that. I hate you.
We're gonna spend all night here.
What?
In this box.
What the fuck are you talking about, homie?
Okay. I thought Carlos fixed it, never mind.
Carlos doesn't care about you like I do, man. That's the truth. This is what acid does.
Oh god, this is too real. This is too real.
I could maybe get shrooms. Dude.
You need to stop fucking breathing or I'm gonna have to, like, you know, kill you.
That's pretty mean, man. I didn't take you for that kind of a person, man.
Oh, I remember what happened the first time this happened.
Really?
Oh, have you talked to these two before?
Oh, fuck me in the ass! No!
That's the same thing as what my guy's feeling right now.
Stop saying that ever again.
What? What? I didn't. Was I just speaking?
Ah, yeah.
Fuck you, dude. Fuck you.
What is wrong with you, man?
Dude, fuck you, dude. This is like your playing field. I'm not even gonna be on here anymore. Goodbye.
What are you talking about, dude?
Oh gosh. You're lucky that it's smarter than me.
What is smart? What the fuck? I don't think you know what the fuck you're saying, buddy. Oh, I'm so fucked.
Yay.
This is why.
Hey, Switchbox, I'm in the burning forest. Are you still alive, Switchbox?
I'm still alive.
Fuck. Alright.
You got some mental issues you gotta take care of, man.
I don't like it. Oh, this is... No. You can't keep finding it.
Why won't it let me open that, man? Fuck.
This is the most terrible thing I've ever experienced, man.
God damn it. The fuck do I get under?
Why? Why did that happen? Why did that happen?
Please, I need your
Oh,
help.
it's actually...
I'm part of an
I think I just forgot how this was.
My master and I had little to do after the shipwreck. In the local... Ah, so you...
Oh my god. This got real. And I just died.
No, dude, you're good.
Are you... Oh my god, dude. Yeah. Dude, I know. Dude, it's only been 10 minutes.
Does it seem like hours?
Dude, it's only 12:30. Yeah, dude, it's only 12:30. It's only been 30 fucking minutes. Oh my fucking god. Dude, it's only been 10 minutes since the last time we were here.
How long did it feel like, man?
Fuck you.
Wow, you're a vicious fucker.
We need to fucking kill Yogi and Reggie.
What?
We need to kill Yogi and Reggie. Yeah, dude, this part got me way too bad. This is the worst thing that could have happened. Are you just playing the game? Like through randomly? Okay. I'm just making sure that we're like part of a special event right now. Okay. Yeah, he's high as shit. Missing things are missing, find them. Get him.
Scorpion's poison courses through its prey.
Yeah, no. I'll take it. You see how much it bothers you? You see how much it bothers you? You see how much it bothers you? It's pretty fucking bad, huh? Pretty bothers you pretty bad, huh? Yeah? Make you want to, like, itch your skin? Because that's what it makes me want to do. Fucked up. It's fucked up. Why are the flames not going away? I swear I've seen Burning Forest like 4 fucking times.
What are you talking about, bro?
You know what I'm talking about.
No, man, I'm asking you.
Why are you always talking to me, Ed?
So I love you.
You better hurry up and die so I can win. Because it seems to happen every time. Oh, mortar. Stop clicking so fast. What the fuck? Dude, what could matter that much? You have to click that fast. I'm talking to Ed. No. Ed, stop. Come on. Okay, Ed, for real, I'm gonna hang up this time. Like, I know how to do it. So I'm gonna hang up, okay?
Why would you do that?
Because I feel like we've had this conversation 8 times.
Which is what?
Fuck you, you said that last time. It's like a trick.
What are you talking about, man?
Fuck you, dude. If I ever catch you on the acid slipping, I'm gonna cut you real quick. You're not even gonna know which hit you.
Wow. Man, they got a mean motherfucker.
I'm just gonna cut you real quick. Catch you slipping. What? No. Oh, do it. What the fuck are you doing, Ed? Stop clicking, bitch. Dude, you're lucky. You're lucky. You're lucky. Fuck you. Okay, I'm actually hanging up, like, right now. I'm sorry, Ed. Goodbye. I love you.
You're making me sad, man.
Spider weaves the web around its
Why am I alone?
What the fuck is that sound, man?
You almost started swimming. You almost started swimming. know what that is? It's elk. How How the fuck did we go from forest to like mountain? Fuck.
Oh, it's a puzzle? Oh, fuck.
It's too late now. I know. It's too late.
Ow!
Ugh. That's what you said last time.
The cycle of the two moons seems to be the key to dispersing the barrier. The cycle of the two moons seems to be the key to dispersing the barrier.
What? You want me to play? I'll play. That's what I thought.
The cycle of the two moons
It'll
seems
get
to
you
be
one
the
of
key
these
to
days.
dispersing the barrier. The barrier is down.
Genius.
But before we proceed, I need to speak with you. When we entered the temple, that skeleton made it sound as though Aurelian was in grave danger.
The trick is to know which one saw you, the person or the elk. Who did?
Thank you. We found the morning stone and that pedestal. Wait, that's Aurelian. What's he doing up there? If Aurelian was truly
You know how you have to take her out by hand.
I see your dominion. Never mind that accursed blue rock. I'm about to restore my wardrobe to its full glory. I believe I'll keep it. At least until my summoning ritual wears it thin.
That's the best thing you could have done.
Aurelian. We have to disrupt the summoning ritual. I'll destroy the bone piles if you keep the undead at bay. It'll take a moment to reach the circle. Keep the undead away from it.
Never do that. I get what's next. Let me just think next. Jesus fucking Christ, Ed, are you still here?
I'm still here.
Oh my God, you're still here. Oh God.
Damn, the acid is really hitting you, isn't it, man?
I just keep going through these doors.
What doors, dude?
The doors in the game, dude. God dang it.
It's working. I'll weaken the next circle. We can do this. We must do this.
What?
Get out of my body now! Silence! None command Uldor.
Dude, that's pretty fucking weird, bro. You can get rid of it. Yeah.
Uldor, I command you by the powers of the
I can't play video games if I have to talk to the Switchbox.
Why do you keep calling it a fucking switch box, dude?
Cause you're the thing that makes noise and everything changes when I put it up to my head.
make it to us safely.
Not necessarily for the better, because we've walked through that same red door about 7 times. Every time
What the fuck are you talking about, man?
Because you need to stop identifying you as lieutenant.
Only my pride. But we have a more pressing matter.
You heard me.
I have no idea what you just said, man.
It was something about killing something.
Remove them from his tomb. I propose the centerpiece of this old Khajiit temple. After Uldor's reign of terror, the sea
Alright, so you want to talk to me later, Ed?
Nope.
which is why we must be the ones to enter the
Why
tomb.
not?
No, we must enter the tomb.
I have a feeling you're going to be depressed if you take that stupid ass bow and arrow for your
What?
high fucking like military rifle in the mountains. Like you have a good time with your bow and arrow.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, but alright.
This is so ill. It just takes life. Pop pop. Pop pop. You don't like that? Do that pop pop. Just give him the pop pop. Dude, he's dead. Cause you pop pop, you can pop pop that, you can pop pop this. You can pop pop anything you want.
You're crazy,
That's why
dude.
it works. That's why it works.
Uldor,
Fucking red doors, yo.
fools to doubt your power. I'll help you wreak the vengeance you seek, if you allow.
Such a spectacular willing garment. Very well.
I can't fight him for long. Quickly, place the tears of the 2 moons in the pedestals.
Wretched fool! I'll turn your friend to ash. Stay away from those pedestals.
Get him. Get him, Carlos. Get over there. Dude, you're terrible at being stealthy when there's 6 people in the room. Open fire. Go over to that body if you have to. Search the body, dude. Just make it quick. It's like a band-aid. Enough. another with the doors.
This too can't hold me forever.
Through the door again.
The water weakens all
Into the
gone.
mine.
But I can't hold him for long. No order will keep me alive. He far prefers a living form to the dead. Strange. How could I know this?
I think that this entire game is a drug trip.
What game, dude?
Because this is some bullshit. Far Cry 4, bitch.
Oh, that is a dude. No, Far Cry 4 is a drug trip, dude.
It is a giant drug trip. This is the best thing I've ever played in my life. Everything just blends together.
But if you're here, then gas
It's too real. We've just been running in circles. I don't like it.
I record everything that happened here. Uldor's skill troubles.
See, we just took a couple lefts, took a couple rights. Now we're in a fucking rock underground cave. Like, how did we get here? This is some bullshit. We were just in the mountains.
You are. I'm afraid it won't.
And now there's some cows. We were just in the mountains. You're always just opening fire. I think that's why we had problems to begin with, because...
Are you guys playing together?
No, we're taking turns. Alright, so I'm gonna hang up now, Ed.
No, I love you.
It's only 1 o'clock in the morning. What the fuck, dude? This is gonna suck.
Why?
Because it's gonna happen for the rest of ever.
That's a good thing.
This whole time thing, I fucking hate it. This whole life thing, I fucking hate it. Just want to kill it all of it.
That's not a good thing.
That's how it feels, though. On the deeps. On the deeps for the reals. You're gonna drown. And I'm gonna